Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning data saver mode on and off on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap on Connections. In the Connections settings, tap on Data Usage. Tap on Data Saver. Switch the toggle on to the right of Turn On Now. Data Saver is now on. You can tap Allow to use data while Data Saver is on to choose the apps that you would like to keep using data even when Data Saver is on. There will be a few apps with this switched on by default. Switch the toggle on to the right of the apps that you would like to be allowed to use data when Data Saver is switched on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.